Google didn't just make announcements at I/O 2025. They crushed ChatGPT, Sora, Midjourney, and every other AI tool out there in all aspects. While everyone else was busy fine-tuning chatbots and video tools, Google came with Veo 3 Flow, Gemini 2.5, real AI agents, and even smart glasses that translate the world in real time. This wasn't just an update. This was Google saying, "The race is over. We won." In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how Google took over the AI space and what it means for you as a creator, developer, or entrepreneur. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most jaw-dropping part. Google's Veo 3 just ended the hype around Sora. This isn't just another AI video generator. Veo 3 understands physics, adds ambient sound, and can generate real dialogue with lip sync and emotional tone straight from your prompt. No weird floaty objects, no robotic movement. You type a prompt, and Veo 3 brings it to life with emotion, sound, camera motion, and realism that looks like a Hollywood scene.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might.
This equation regarding quantum entanglement in birdseed particles.
But then comes Flow, the real Sora killer. Flow is a full-blown AI film studio built on top of Veo 3 and Imagen 4. You can upload reference images, generate consistent characters, control camera angles, add voiceovers, extend scenes with one click, even direct the lighting. This isn't text to video. This is text to cinema. If Sora was a glimpse into the future, Flow is what the future actually looks like. And the wild part, it's already live. While OpenAI was busy rolling out smaller upgrades, Google just dropped not one, but two models that dominate the leaderboard. Gemini 2.5 Pro is built for deep thinking. It doesn't just respond, it reasons. Math, logic, code, simulation. It beats GPT-4 in almost every benchmark that matters. Then there's Gemini 2.5 Flash, a lightweight, ultra-fast model that's more efficient than GPT 3.5 and still smarter. Together, they now hold the number 1 and number 2 spots on the LM arena. But it's not just power, it's performance with purpose. Deep Think mode lets Gemini Pro evaluate multiple solutions before giving an answer. This is the kind of intelligence that feels less like a chatbot and more like a thinking partner. Whether you're building apps, solving problems, or just asking tough questions, Gemini isn't catching up, it's leading. Google's not just making smarter models, they're building actual AI agents that work for you. First up, Project Astra. It understands your phone's camera, microphone, and screen in real time to understand what you're seeing, saying, or doing.
I'm here with the latest research prototype of Project Astra, and we're going to see how it can help me fix my bike. Hey, go online and look for a user's manual for a Huffy mountain bike.
I have found a user manual for you. What would you like to know about it?
Okay, cool. Now scroll until you find the section about the brakes.
Sure thing. Looking for that page now.
I think I stripped this screw. Can you go on YouTube and find a video for how to fix that?
Of course. I'm opening YouTube now.
It's fast, responsive, and feels more like a real assistant than any chatbot we've used before. Then there's Project Mariner.
It's an agent that can interact with the web and get stuff done. Stepping back, we think of agents as systems that combine the intelligence of advanced AI models with access to tools. They can take actions on your behalf and under your control.
And inside Chrome, Agent Mode takes over the browser. It clicks, types, filters, and automates, turning Gemini into a digital worker that can handle entire workflows.
So I'm excited to share that we're bringing Project Mariner's agentic capabilities into AI mode. You've already seen how AI mode is becoming more intelligent and personalized. And here's where you start to see search getting more agentic. Search can take work off my plate while still under my control. I'll say, find 2 affordable tickets for this Saturday's Reds game in the lower level. Search kicks off a query fan-out, looking across several sites to analyze hundreds of potential ticket options, doing the tedious work of filling in forms with all the criteria I asked for. And it puts it all together, reasoning across the results to analyze real-time pricing and inventory. Then, right here, task complete. I get great ticket options with helpful context so I can make an informed decision.
Software alone doesn't win the AI race. Google knows it, and now they're going after the hardware too. First up, Google Beam, a next-gen video calling system. It uses 6 cameras and real-time AI to turn regular 2D calls into 3D holographic conversations. With 60 FPS head tracking, it feels like the person is right in front of you. Remote meetings, telemedicine, even long-distance family calls, this changes everything. And then there's the Real Flex AI glasses. Lightweight, stylish, and powered by Gemini. They give you real-time translation, directions, calendar info, and more without touching your phone. These aren't sci-fi concepts. Google is already partnering with Gentle Monster and Warby Parker to make them look like something you'd actually wear. Apple Vision Pro showed us what AR could do. Google just showed us how it should feel. For over 20 years, Google search meant blue links and endless scrolling. That era is officially over. With AI mode, search becomes a full conversation assistant. You ask a question, it gives structured answers, insights, and even follow-up suggestions. No more jumping across tabs, no more scanning 10 blog posts to find what matters. Just ask and get the full picture. But it gets crazier with AI-powered shopping. Upload a photo and try on clothes virtually. Set your target price, and Google's agent will track the item, wait for a drop, and auto-buy it for you. It's not search anymore, it's automated decision-making. And once this rolls out globally, websites, price trackers, review blogs, they're all about to feel it. Google didn't stop at video and code. They're coming for your visuals, your sound, even your music. Let's start with Imagen 4, Google's latest image model. It generates hyper-realistic visuals, nails typography, and runs 10 times faster than before. No more weird fonts or broken hands, posters, thumbnails, mockups done in seconds and ready to publish. Then there's Lyria 2, Google's AI music model. You control the genre, instruments, mood, tempo, even dramatic builds. It's not just royalty-free background noise, it's studio-quality music tailor-made for creators. Combine that with Gemini's new voice tools, and you get emotional tone, accent switching, even whispering across 24+ languages. Whether you're creating short films, podcasts, ad creatives, or YouTube content, Google just handed creators a full-stack AI audio. Google dropped 2 new plans, AI Pro and AI Ultra. AI Pro is $20 a month and gives you access to Gemini 2.5, VO2, and standard tools like Flow and Notebook LM. But the real power is in AI Ultra, $250 a month for everything. VO3, Flow with advanced features, Gemini API, DeepThink, 30 terabytes of storage, even YouTube Premium bundled in. Sounds expensive, but if you're a creator, founder, or dev building with AI, this replaces entire teams, tools, and production pipelines. Google's not pitching features anymore, they're offering a full creative and automation stack at scale. This isn't for casual users, it's for people who want to build the next generation of products, content, and experiences without waiting for anyone else to catch up. Google didn't just drop cool features, they flipped the AI world on its head. Video, music, images, agents, smart glasses, even a search engine that thinks. This wasn't an update, it's a power move. So what are you gonna do with all this? Thanks for watching, hit subscribe and stick around. The future's just getting started.